Hello and welcome to theprofitroom.com. Don't forget to hit the like and also the subscribe button. You're watching a live trade of us trading the micro E-mini NASDAQ futures. In the recent market volatility, brokers have been requiring 24 times the amount of capital required in order to trade one contract of ES, NASDAQ, crude oil, and many other futures contracts. So we've been getting bombarded with a lot of emails and phone calls. How can I make good money trading the micros? So here we are showing you right here. We are in micros right now and we're in 6 tracks. With the market volatility, you are still able to produce some amazing income. So always keep in mind, there are always going to be adjustments in market conditions and you may have to adjust to it. Now the reason why they do that is to separate the amateurs from those who are advanced in professional trading. So don't feel bad. This is the point of having trading education. And this is what we teach here at theprofitroom.com. We're able to show you how you can participate in any market condition and still make money. So even though you don't have a lot of capital, you can still participate trading the micros. We were up with 6 contracts close to $400. As a newbie, you would take that money. That's amazing profits. But we believe in the trade like many of our other videos, and we're looking for that nice big flush. So this is another reason why many traders have 2 accounts. Like myself, I have a larger account for big swing positions that I do in futures. That allows me to sit much longer and hold trades for a longer period of time. So you can start trading that account on a daily basis as a day trading account because it may have more capital. Or if you have a day trading account like you see right here, you can trade the micros. Either way, it doesn't matter if you have 1 contract or 20 contracts. You should be able to trade the same exact way and have the same risk management. Now you notice we're in this trade and it's starting to play out very well. We're up $310 left off of the money we already booked so far because we had 6 contracts. This is an amazing trade, especially with this market volatility. If you catch the great technical entry, these micros will pay you on average a good $200 to $300 a day. Amazing profits, right? For only maybe 15-20 minutes, maybe an hour in the market. As you see, we're in this trade and we let out another contract, right? This is a great trade. So we're holding 3 now. Now all these trades that you see that we record are all called live in our futures and forex room for many participants to get in the trades if they care to. So now we're in the money. Like all our other videos, we are comfortable now. We probably made close to $300 by now. So we're sitting pretty. And as we sit through this fluctuation, we're waiting for that big move. So just because we're trading micros, it doesn't stop us from having our price target. It doesn't stop us from looking at our whole analysis that's taking place in the market because we want to get that big move. In a few seconds or so, you're going to see the price start to go even lower and lower and lower, and that's when we start booking profits even more. This helps build that cushion and be able to be comfortable in the trade. So currently right now, we're very comfortable in this trade. We start to drop even more. It starts to break through this support. If you see many of our videos, we explain what support and resistance is. So as it starts to break through this basement that start coming down, we start letting out another contract, right? This is the flush that we're looking for. We're looking for that massive selling pressure that we can see take place. This is a beautiful trade. Now we have 1 contract left and we're up $100, almost $200. Now this is where it can get a little bit greedy. We made our money that we wanted to out of that trade. We made it already, and now we're just sitting. As a newbie, if you made the $150 or $200 on a runner, just take it. Because at any particular time, this can reverse on you, which you'll see in a second. Look how fast the money is going to go away with this reversal. but we are still green. Look, boom, 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 boom. We end up getting taken out of the trade very, very soon. From 200 back to like almost $60. That's how fast it is. But these micros paid off. This trade was only about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. We made $600 in this trade. The rest of the day we traded micros. We ended the day about $1,020. So don't let the heavy margin discourage you from trading. Come over to theprofitroom.com. We can definitely help you.